Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create the DNA model by using Blender, and here you can see that we apply the different modifier to create this model like subdivision, array, simple deform and displace modifier. If you want to download this beautiful DNA model, then you can visit my Patreon page and Comrade store, the link in descriptions. So let's start. First I open the Blender, press Shift A to add a cube and scale down this cube something like here. I also turn on the screencast keys because you can see which I press here, and now I scale this cube along y-axis something like here. Press 3 for right view and enter into the edit mode by pressing tab and control R to add the loop cuts something like here. And now face selection mode, and now I select these faces by pressing shift. Nice. And I extrude these faces along normal. So for that, here I select extrude along normal, and here I drag this option something like this. Now back to the object mode, and now I apply the modifier. So for that, first I apply the subdivision surface modifier. Beautiful. And I also shade smooth. I also scale along y-axis something like here, and now I apply another modifier which is array modifier, and I want to make these copies along z-axis. So for that, in factor x I put 0, and in factor 1 I put 1. Now I make 40 copy of these objects. Beautiful. Also press Ctrl A to apply scale. Now I apply another modifier which is simple deform modifier, and I deform my object along z-axis, and here I put the angle for 20 degree. Beautiful. Now I apply another modifier which is displace modifier, and here in texture properties I add a texture, and here I select the cloud texture, and I reduce the size something like here, and back to the modifier section. Here I adjust the strength value something like this. This looks so beautiful. Nice. Now I apply material. So for that I enter into the material window, and here I enter into the rendered view, and I hit the new button to apply the material. I add some nodes. Press shift A to add a noise texture. Then I add the color ramp, and also select the noise texture and press Ctrl T. This is texture coordinate and mapping is a feature of node wrangler. and I connect the factor with the color ramp, and here I apply another node which is bump, and I connect the color with the height and the normal with the normal of principal PSDF. And here you can see now I change the material something like DNA type material like this kind of material, and now reduce the bump value something like this. This looks so beautiful, nice. So in this way you can create the model of DNA by applying the different modifier like subdivision surface modifier, array modifier, displace modifier, and simple deform modifier, and also apply material to this DNA model. Thanks for watching.